Imagine chilling at home when suddenly, a monitor lizard crashes the scene.
This surprising encounter really lays bare how unpredictable wildlife can be when they invade our living spaces. And let's not overlook the father's instant response. It really drives home the message about how crucial it is to react quickly in such unexpected situations. Now, picture this: a lion casually lounging on a rooftop.
Sounds like a scene out of a wild movie, right?
But for the homeowner, it was pure disbelief. This bizarre sight points to a vital takeaway: if you're living in areas close to wildlife, always keep your guard up and think about safety first. In a scenario like this, finding somewhere safe to hide was really the only move. Switching gears, let's talk about a guy whose peaceful slumber was interrupted by an unexpected visit from a brown bear.
Talk about a wake-up call.
This encounter really sheds light on the dangers of leaving doors unlocked, especially in areas known for bear activity. Plus, his attempts to scare the bear away?
Total flop.
It perfectly illustrates the tough challenges faced when wildlife gets too close for comfort. And then there are the baboons, who decided to throw a wild party in a house by raiding it for fresh fruits. Seriously, chaos ensued. This nuts incident serves as a clear reminder of how urbanization messes with animal behavior. It's wild to think about how the hustle and bustle of human life can completely disrupt the daily routines of wildlife. In another jaw-dropping twist, a massive bison strolled right into someone's home. Just picture that for a second. This bizarre event highlights how wildlife often disregards the boundaries that we as humans try to set. It raises some serious questions about the need for better wildlife management, especially in our urban areas. Are we really prepared for these encounters? Finally, let's not forget that shocking moment when a king cobra was found lurking in a toilet.
Yep, you heard that right.
This crazy encounter is a stark reminder of the unexpected dangers that can pop up in everyday life. It drives home an important point: we should always stay alert and be aware of our surroundings because you never know what might be lurking just around the corner.